Oh.
Is it?
Yeah. Oh my God, looking like C-3PO. Yo. Bro, look, can you see it? Oh shit. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Just Another Car Show. Thank you so much for tuning in. As you saw in a previous video, we got this 240SX all the way from North Carolina, and we also did a diagnosis on it. So if you missed the diagnosis, go ahead and check out that video up there. One of the biggest things we noticed on the diagnosis was that our gauge cluster, just everything right there was not working. And this car is actually a little bit special. It's one of the nicer models, so it comes with a heads-up display. Yeah. All the way back in 1993, man, they had heads-up displays. I didn't know it, you didn't know it, now we both do. When we bought the car, the guy who we bought it from told us a few days before buying it that the heads-up display, the digital speedometer, the overall dash and gauge cluster just did not work.
Sounded legit to me.
Our first thought when we got the car here was that, you know, maybe the car had a bad speed sensor. But we looked up the speed sensor, it's 160 bucks. We also read on some forums and kind of started to learn that the heads-up display and the dash in these cars, the ones that specifically have the digital speedometer, go out all the time. Before we spent 160 bucks on a speed sensor and got all into the transmission, we thought, why don't we just take the dash out and see what's going on there?
Like someone has taken the dash apart?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's screws missing. See one.
Oh. Nice. Oh my God, looking like C-3PO.
Where is everybody?
There it goes.
Oh my God.
Why will you not come out, sir?
Sir, mister. Oh, there you go.
Oh, it's coming. It's coming.
Oh, nice. Wow. Yo.
Confusing.
Oh, damn. Oh my God. All right. Yeah.
See the two little burn marks?
Yeah.
We should take the display off and see what happens.
Like, just take it out?
Yeah, we're gonna take that piece off.
Here you go.
Swap. There's a little plug right here. Has come off right here. And this thing I gotta take out too to put that.
Oh.
Well, that's not a confusing piece of technology at all. There's a damn computer chip in this thing.
We watched some YouTube videos and we came to realize that there's one or two capacitors on one of those mini circuit boards that basically if it melts, your whole digital dash just goes out. We were kind of screwed. Like, none of us have the ability to solder and repair capacitors at that level. And the only guy we found who could fix it was in Australia, not accepting orders for the next month. And it would be a $400 charge and $200 of shipping. So we were kind of screwed.
4 to 6 weeks later.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Just Another Car Show. Today, you know what we're doing. We're fixing it. We got this HUD fixed. Module Repair Pro in Van Nuys. They came through and they fixed this. We thought we were gonna have to send this to freaking Australia, bro. $450. And then shipping was gonna be like $200. And it was gonna take months. So if you need any electrical repairs done on your cars, hit up Module Repair Pro. We got that warranty, you know what I'm saying, Andy? Can the people see the warranty?
Yeah.
They got that warranty, dog. I was down, I had surgery for a little while, so here we are now. We're back in action. We're gonna put this fixed guy back in. We're gonna put the seat back in and drive it, test this HUD. Let's get to it, you know? Yo, boy. I guess we'll start with this. Okay, let's look at all these bolts that we have. All right, so we have 3 main plugs here and a 4th one here. What the fuck goes where? Yeah, okay, that was... So I got this little black one here. I think just these 1, 2, 3, 4 main connectors. Oh, the clock already came on. Yeah, before we put all this back together, should we test this? You know what, I'm running it. Bro, look, can you see it? 0 miles per hour.
Yeah.
Oh shit. Oh shit, dog. Woo, that shit looks good. Oh, can you see it on the little, can you see it? Can you see the number up there?
Oh. Ooh.
Yeah?
Ooh.
Yeah, bro. All right, here we go. Thank you. The steering column is loosely in. This definitely has to go back in first, yeah? Maybe we shouldn't have brought the steering column up until we got this in. Up the jam. Oh, there you go. That's dope. Okay.
OG.
So we need 3 specific screws to hold the dash in. Hello? Are you getting in there? Hello? Okay, so these we're tightening down. We'll throw this big plastic piece on because you got to connect these guys over here to the buttons. Filmed on iPhone. Yeah, so the rest of this is filmed on iPhone because the FS5 will not stop zooming in.
Complete versatility now. Look.
Use that versatility, boy. Come on, get in there. Hell yeah. Can you see the angle of this one? Bitch. I just don't want to break this. It's like a little light. Woo! All right, all right. Oh. Putting them in and singing the song.
Look at the shoes.
Nice.
Oh, that was what was all the dust that came off of it?
There we go.
Have the people seen a wide of this? Can you get that 12mm ratchet?
All right, that is all the bolts under here. This guy's solid again. Nice. Now that we got everything put back together, we're gonna make sure that the odometer rolls over. We're gonna make sure that the HUD actually displays the speed that we're going. Make sure you buckle in. Yeah, we said 168, 156, right? 168, 157. Yo, let's go. All right, okay, that's a very good sign. That's our biggest problem. That's why we took this out in the first place. Let's drive a little more, see if it happens again. Yeah, dude. Hey, congrats, bro. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching. If you like this 240, we got tons of other builds. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and I think there's a bell. I don't know. Check it out. Appreciate it.